Hello guys! Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get to the Twilight Forest with the Twilight Forest mod from CurseForge. Now you're going to need to download the mod, and if you're in survival or creative, this is all you're going to need. You're going to need a dandelion, a water bucket, a poppy, dirt, and a diamond. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of build this like an end portal. Though it doesn't matter what way you put the blocks. Like you could put them like this. In the end portal, you have to go on the inside and place. Now, when you place them like this, it's gonna be pretty much the size of an end portal. You're gonna place 3 poppies here, 3 dandelions here, 3 poppies here, and 3 dandelions here. Then you're gonna fill it up with water. And I don't think it has to be perfect, but you throw the diamond in, and lightning will strike the portal, and it'll light the portal. This mod is actually really cool, and it has a lot of cool blocks. As you can see, there's so many cool things. There's even these. And there's like this, and like look at all of this. Like, can you say that this is not just awesome? It's such a cool mod. And there's also the food that you can get. A blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, what the? Brightberry, duskberry, skyberry. Okay, we're getting a little carried away. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna make a full video of me exploring the Twilight Forest in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.